The summer has been very harsh this year. The temperatures reached almost 50 degrees centigrade in many parts of northern India. This is unprecedented. It has a lot to do with the climate change. During those days, people were advised to remain indoors to escape from heat waves. The plants that I have in my garden, that's a balcony garden, were watered twice to thrice a day. But still, many plants suffered burn of their leaves, some of which can be seen even now. By the end of June and in the initial days of this month, there was few rains, and the rains in fact brought down the temperatures, and the plants picked up their growth again. The garden has been in a state of abandonment for some time, especially because of the intense heat of the summer months. Now I need to rearrange everything, add manure to many plants, and take care of individual plants so that they maintain their normal growth. I have many plants over here which are of mostly perennial nature. Plants like moringa, the rubber plant, the areca palm, then hibiscus, peacock flower, shami plant, curry leaf plant, a few dragon fruit plants, and some cassava or tapioca plants which I am growing here as an experiment to see if cassava can be grown in this part of India. As the plants are picking up, you can see the cassava plant here as they're growing. They seem to be quite healthy. Plants are quite okay, but the thing is that at the time of the harvest, you can know whether actually it has acclimatized to the temperature and climate of this region. This is, you can see the cassava plants. I got 6 of them here. They're not planted on pots because they develop roots which are getting fatter and fatter when the plant grows up. That means they may push against the walls of the container, and if it is a lighter one, it is quite possible that the container will break. So I have taken some discarded polythene bags, which in fact came along with supplies of grocery. They're quite good as grow bags, and they may last as long as grow bags may last, or even some of the plastic or terracotta containers may last. we can have a glimpse of the